always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
This song is about colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Now take two. Mix two colors and you'll make something new. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. You can also add a little bit of black or white. Yeah!
It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what Pig is up to.
Hi, Pig. What are you painting?
Can you tell what it is?
A blue bird.
That's right! Let's see if you can guess what my other paintings are. What's this?
A blue butterfly.
Yes! And what's this?
It looks like a blue shoe.
That's right!
What's this one?
That's a blue dragon. Did you notice something about all my paintings? Look again. I painted a blue bird, a blue butterfly, a blue shoe, and a blue dragon. What do they all have in common?
They're all blue.
That's right! Today I'm only painting blue things.
Pig's paintings give me an idea. Let's make blue our special color of the day.
Pig, Fox, I'm going to show you a new way of painting.
Ooh!
I don't see any paintbrushes.
That's right, Fox. We're not going to paint with paintbrushes.
Huh?
Huh?
We're going to paint with sponges. Ready to see what happens?
Okay.
Do you want to start with blue paper or red paper?
Blue, please.
And I'll take red, please.
Great! Now, pick up a sponge. Dip it in the yellow paint. And start painting.
Oh, look! My paper is turning orange. Because red and yellow make orange.
My paper's turning green.
That's right.
Look how smooth it looks.
I'm tapping my sponge. It looks rough, like rocks.
Smooth and rough are textures. Say it after me. Textures.
Textures. I'm done.
Me too.
Let's hang up your paintings and look at them. What's something that's the same about your paintings?
We both painted with sponges.
That's right. What else?
We both painted with yellow.
Yes. And what's something different about your paintings?
Mine came out green, and Pig's is orange.
And my painting is rough, but Fox's is smooth.
That's right. Now, what do we do when we're done painting?
We go play.
Uh-huh.
But first,
We clean up.
Oh, right.
that's right. Let's clean up together.
Okay.
Which octopus is blue? There it is. Blue octopus. Which pants are blue? There it is. Blue pants. Which bird is blue? There it is. Blue bird. Which balloon is blue? There it is. Blue balloon. Very good.
I'm crunching leaves, but only blue leaves. I see one. Let's look for more. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called When I Grow Up. There are so many things you can be when you grow up. Let's read about some of them. Let's begin. When I Grow Up, written by Michelle Fry, illustrated by Simone van der Spee, designed by Jennifer Jacobs. What do I want to be when I grow up? When I grow up, I want to be a dancer and dance on a stage. When I grow up, I want to be a firefighter and put out big fires. When I grow up, I want to be a nurse and make sick people better. When I grow up, I want to be a musician and play in a band. When I grow up, I want to be a mechanic and fix cars and tractors. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher and teach children to read and write. When I grow up, I want to be a soccer player and score the winning goal. When I grow up, I want to be an astronaut and fly to the moon. When I grow up, I want to be a chef and make food for my family and friends. When I grow up, I can choose whatever I want to be. What do you want to be when you grow up? The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Mr. Frog.
Would you all like to play in a band?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Well, this song is all about singing and playing along. I'll sing first, and then you can join in. Here we go! I am the music man. I come from far away, and I can play. What can you play? I play the ukulele. Ukulele, 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 ukulele. What instrument shall we pick next?
Maracas!
Okay, when the time comes, pretend to shake your maracas. You too. I am the music man. I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play maracas.
Mama, mama, rockers, mama, rockers, mama, rockers, mama, mama, rockers, mama, rockers. Ukulele, 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 ukulele.
What shall we play next, Pig?
The keyboard.
Okay, when the time comes, twinkle your fingers. Here we go. I am the music man. I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play the keyboard. Keyboard, 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 keyboard.
Mama, mama, rockers, mama, rockers, mama, rockers, mama, mama, rockers, mama, rockers. Ukulele, 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 ukulele.
Okay, let's add one more instrument.
How about bass? Electric bass.
Great choice. When the time comes, pretend to strum. Here we go. I am the music man. I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play electric bass.
Bass, bass, electric bass, electric bass, electric bass, 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 electric bass, bass, electric bass.
Keyboard, 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 keyboard.
Mama, mama, rockers, mama, rockers, mama, rockers, mama, mama, rockers, mama, rockers. Ukulele, 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 ukulele.
We did it! Thanks for playing in the band with me.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
And thank you for playing along too.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Let's do the monkey dance. Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 5. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 5 times. Clap 5 times. Nod 5 times. Point 5 times. March 5 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me. It's time to move. Follow me. Goodbye.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hush-a-bye, don't you cry. Go to sleep, my little baby. When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses, blacks and bays, dappled and grays, dancing through the sky. When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses. Hush-a-bye, don't